Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the two drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work come in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's up everyone? I forgot to do an intro for this video. Pretty much I was just piecing video parts together, and I forgot to do an intro for this part. But yeah, right here I'm breaking down my CRF150RB clutch before I was selling it. So in this video it'll show y'all me breaking down the clutch, fixing it, and then after that y'all will see the buyer transaction. And yes sir, hope y'all enjoy it, and thank y'all for watching. Got my man over here. Might be cashing out on this 150. Yes, sir. You can take a look at it, everything. I put brand new tires on it, brand new chain. I put new clutches in it. That's internal in the motor. I put a new clutch cable on right here. Adjusted it, everything like that. I haven't even started the bike today or anything, so. Yes, sir.
Gas in it?
You said what?
Got gas in it?
Gas in it? Hell yeah. Got a full tank. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. You want me to start it real quick? All right, bet. They usually start first kick for real. Right. Got one. Hey, man, you turn the choke off. Got oil in it, everything. I just changed the oil. I'm tripping.
That shit all really nice.
Oh yeah. I was just trying to show you. I wasn't thinking for real. But hell yeah, I just changed the oil. I did the transmission oil too. I literally only rode this shit for like an hour. Literally, that's it. I put new plastics on it. New chain, like I said. And then it had some street tires on it. I put dirt tires because I like them. Other than that, everything how it was. Bet.
Count up.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
He out, bro.
He out? All right, bet. Y'all be careful.